Karibu Kenya.
Welcome to Kenya.
Let me take you on an adventure into the exciting world of safari photography and show you how to capture some of the most beautiful animals in East Africa. I'm Rachel Sinclair and I've been a photo safari guide since 2019, and now it's time to take you along with me. In this course, I'd like to show you how I taught a small group of photographers how to capture incredible wildlife photographs in Kenya. It's packed with advice to help you plan your own photographic trip, right through to the camera settings you can use to capture those once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. I'll show you the best camera kit to bring, what a typical day on safari looks like, and how to plan your days to maximize your time with the animals in the wild. We saw so many wonderful animals, including elephants, rhinos and giraffes, and we will show you our fantastic cheetah sightings and what patience and perseverance led to. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Moses, our incredible Maasai driver. His knowledge of the land and where to find the animals will never cease to amaze me. Thank you for making this safari extra special. You can listen to the group's experience of their first time on safari and see some of the beautiful photographs they took during their time in Kenya. If you've been dreaming of an African adventure, please enjoy this course and let it show you what's possible and give you the confidence to go and experience the wild with your camera.